Hey everybody, just wanted to check in real quickly. I thought I would try something new with the video this time, maybe make it a little easier to talk instead of trying to read it through some sort of communication. Just a few things that are going on in here. We're well underway back in January. We've got a couple weeks now under our belt and we're back into the swing of things. Report cards went home today. If your child brought home their report card, it'll come home. It'll look like this. On this front page, there is some information about how to better understand what's going on the back of the report card. But to kind of let you know, the first semester of our year spends a lot of time benchmarking and getting initial scores. So you'll see on the back of the report card a lot of initial scores for many of the skills that we're doing in language arts and reading. It's the second semester starting now that we'll focus more on those post assessments. And as the year goes on and you see the next report card come home closer to spring break, you will see more of the second and third columns being filled in as we go. So that's kind of the update on that. If you wouldn't mind, please signing the report card envelope and returning that to school on Tuesday of next week. Other things that are going on, we do have our book report for the month of January because we started a little later in January. I'm giving the students a little bit more time. So February 6th is the due date on the book report. We'll probably do one more before spring break, so that due date will be closer to the spring break time. We're back into the flow with some vocabulary going on with our social studies. We're talking Civil War. Next week, we're going to start doing some fact and opinion in reading. Students have received literature circle books that they're reading for reading class as well, so you can ask your son or daughter about the book that they're reading in their lit circle. And starting next week in math, we're going to be doing some fraction work. We've moved on from long division, and we will be looking at comparing fractions and adding and subtracting fractions. So that will be coming up as well. It's good to be back. If you ever have any questions, like always, just respond in the parent app, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks.